it's time to spatchcock. Spatchcock. Apparently I'm a 12-year-old boy. Spatchcock. Hey guys, well, it's time for another cooking video. I know we're always looking for quick and easy, nutritious meals to serve our families. Well, chicken is one of my all-time favorites, and I'm going to show you how I like to cook a chicken. Spatchcock. I'm going to show you my favorite way to cook a chicken, which is to spatchcock the chicken. And what that really means is you're going to cut out the backbone and flatten the chicken before you roast it. Now you can do this in the oven, which the full recipe is on my website, CaptainHousekeeper.com, or right down below, down there, in the description I'll put a direct link to the recipe. Spatchcock, spatchcock. But when you flatten a chicken, see the trouble is when you cook a chicken or a turkey even, everything cooks at a different rate because it's all different thicknesses. So you know you've cooked a chicken and sometimes the thighs are done, but the breast meat is real dry because it cooked at a different rate. And what we want to do is make the entire bird the same thickness. And when you spatchcock the bird, that's what you end up doing. Spatchcock. And with the recipe I'm about to show you, you'll end up with some good, healthy, nutritious vegetables and a chicken roasted perfectly when you're all done. Spatchcock. Another benefit of spatchcocking, where you take out the backbone and get the chicken all the same thickness, is that it actually cooks faster. You can cook it hotter, and therefore it cooks faster. And it still comes out really moist and juicy. Spatchcock. So let me show you how easy it is to prepare a chicken spatchcocked. I can't say spatchcock with a straight face. Spatchcock. Couldn't do it.